ka district level committee hub empowerment of women Ribhoi district nongpo ka khot bat ka panbana ya ki khobor like kam bat ki ne ki post ki temporary but contractual post hapo ka Shakti Sadan mission Shakti for Ribhoi district kito ki bakwa banwan theb ya ki ne ki post bat ki badon ya ki kerdan pule kat kum ki tei ki post kin sneu bha banwan theb ya ki application jongki sha ka office jong ka district social welfare officer Ribhoi district nongpo ha ki kenta trikam jong ka office ki post ki balai ki long kumne harum residential superintendent bat ka jingsiu kan long R4R hajar officer assistant ka jingsiu kan long khasan hajar multi purpose staff ka jingsiu kan long khatsan hajar unong shet lane ukuk ka jingsiu kan long pra hajar security guard night guard ka jingsiu kan long pra hajar kin nong thep kam kin debet ki bala dap khat pras nem shaneng but palat ya ka life ars nem karta hapo ka sitarik ukalla lengkot ar hajar ar pusan bat ka sngi khadu ban pediang ya ki application kan long ha ka santrik uno pra ar hajar ar pusan na ka banta ki jingtip ki ba company phila ban lejmi sha ka office district social welfare officer Ribhoi district nongpo ha ki kenta trikam jong ka office Myntri rangbah ka jylla Conrad Kongal Sangma nin ka sngi ka arpoi tri unaiwing ulalej ban yu kjat Iew Umsning Ribhoi district bat ulayat kjat ru nadu Lad Jagiroad shaduh Iew Umsning bat ban penlong ru ka jylla Iew Umsning auditorium hall Umsning town dorbar ha kani ka sngi kinong yalam ka Umsning town dorbar klapan pau sibun ki jingdon kam Myntri rangbah ka jylla bat ulakula ru ban simkhia wat lada onomla ban penurlong ya baro ki jingdawa kimat jingdawa ki babun ki balong na ka banta ka jingbit jingbyang ki paitba ka than Umsning lapan sngew da chairman ka Umsning town dorbar uba Rocky kala bala IT ro ya ka dorkhas sa Myntri rangbah ha ka jingyalang ka bakarpang ka bala penlong ha auditorium hall Umsning town dorbar kitei kimat jingdawa bala bu da ka Umsning town dorbar kenthop ban penyo ya ka scientific solid waste management ka gallery stadium bat penbaharu ya ka madan yelekai ha patarim ban penyo ban kere ka jaka shipho akar jong ka Umsning town dorbar ban wanra ya ka fire and emergency station Umsning ban snaru ya ki parking lot bat ka market complex ka bakan thup ro ban panbha ya ka surok bat kumju ro ban panitanat ya ka sor Umsning nalor kiwi de ki mat don kam habakren hakani ka sngi Myntri rangbah ka jylla Conrad Kongal Sangma ulapan pau ka jingkmen ban yo ban yadon banta hakani ka sngi na ka banta banekren halor ka bha kamiat bat ka roi ka par jong ki paitba ka than Umsning bat kumu Myntri rangbah ulakular ban simkhia halor ki mat balawanra da ka town dorbar Umsning nalor Myntri rangbah ka jylla Conrad Kongal Sangma la sakhiru ya ka jingyadon lang MLA ka Umsning Dr. Celestine Lengdo MLA ka Mauhati Charles Marngar chairman ka Umsning town dorbar uba Rocky kala ki officer sarkar ki rangbah ka than bat ki paitba nong songsinong ka than
You may not believe this, but I do this in a program called CM Connect. What we're having today is actually CM Connect. Many difficult questions are asked. And all the department officers are sitting right there to reply, and I'm there, of course, to back them up in whatever way possible. So it's something that we have been doing for a long time. And the reason why we do this is because we as politicians, especially the three of us present out here, the biggest complaint against us as politicians is what? That politicians only show up during election. Correct? That is the biggest complaint. And that is what we want to change. We want to give the message to the people. I mean, election is 2 years away, 2.5 years almost away. We have a long time. There is no need for, as per the convention of politicians and elections, there is no need for Chief Minister to walk through Umsning market area on the road. There is no need. You would see Chief Minister doing that before election. But we are doing it now. And there's a reason why we're doing it. The reason is because we genuinely care. We genuinely care. We genuinely believe that the public and God has given us this opportunity to serve the people. This is what we believe. And that's why even though I cannot solve every single problem that comes up. Let me be very, very frank with you. I cannot. But that does not mean I run away from the problems. I must face them. That is what I have been selected or elected to do. Dr. Baum must face them. But Charles and all of us must face them. And that is the reason why we are here today. We are here, as I said, because we believe that we are here to serve each and every citizen of our state. And we will do our best to ensure that we have a very, very good meeting. I have spoken to the Commissioner Secretary Sports. We have already had a discussion in the last 3 hours. And I can give you the assurance, as I said, right here, right now. We have 2 years, so therefore I cannot run away from it. So I'm giving you the assurance that the fencing and the VIP gallery will be implementing it immediately. So, and at the same time, the basic grass that has to be grown, it may not be the quality that, say, we have in Jain Stadium right now, because that requires a lot of drainage and other things. But so that the sports person are not hurt and are safe, we will try to improve the ground also. But fencing and gallery, VIP gallery, is something that we have already decided. So that's one thing. To speed of light only, that we just were there at the junction when I got down from the vehicle, right? And the town Darbar officials were there with me, and they told me that the nala has to be made and the nala has to be cleaned, and that road that goes towards Mohati, there has to be drainage being made. And I talked to our engineer Lalu from PWD. So he told me that it's about 1.5 or 1.8 crores something. File is there, and it's on the table of Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD.